Hey everyone, today we're unboxing and taking a closer look at Amati's 1:22 scale Venetian Gondola wood model kit. First off, I have got to say, Amati really knows how to make a kit look classy right from the outside. Their box design is elegant, with high quality printing and a glassy finish that really pops on a hobby store shelf. Now, let's peek inside. The first thing you will see is the step-by-step instruction booklet, complete with full-color build photos. And let me tell you, Amati's photography is gorgeous. The shots are polished, artistic, and just inspiring. If you are into both scale modeling and photography, you will know exactly what I mean. You will also spot a full 1:1 scale build plan in the box. Basically a life-sized cheat sheet to keep you from gluing things in the wrong place. And then there is this fancy fabric paper, perfect for recreating the gondola's plush red carpet. Honestly, it's so fancy, I half expect the tiny wedding guests to start lining up for photos. The photo-etched parts in this kit are gorgeous, shiny, solid, and ready to show off. The laser-cut wooden pieces? Exactly what you'd expect from Amati, precise, clean, and neatly done. With just a little bit of sanding and touch-up, they will be good to go. When finished, this gondola will measure about 50 centimeters long, 7 centimeters wide, and 5 centimeters high. So it's not tiny, but it's not going to take over your entire workbench either. I'd say it's perfect for intermediate modelers, and it makes a great summer in-between project. Something you can work on while enjoying the outdoors or doing breaks from your massive 100-gun first-rate warship builds. You know, those projects that feels like they will take until the next century. Inside, you will also find 2 plastic parts printed with a super fine resolution 3D printer. They have got excellent detail, though you might want to give them a little fine sanding before assembly. I actually loved seeing this, prove that Amati is evolving and bringing new tech into their kits. Now don't let this kit's part count fool you. Yes, it looks like it only has a handful of pieces, but building a Venetian gondola is a bit like making a grand piano. You can't just slap it together and call it done. Getting that mirror smooth wooden finish, just like the real thing, is going to take patience, sanding, and polishing. Lots and lots of polishing. One last tip, if you really want to dive into the history and artistry of this boat, check out the book Gondola by Donna Leon. It's packed with the details that might just make you appreciate your model even more. Alright, that's enough talk. Time for me to roll up my sleeves and start building. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the full build video.